Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girls
Girls
Unchecked. I'm Shireen.
एंड आई एम शनाया और आज का टॉपिक है
Can you be friends with your ex?
कैन यू वी लेट्स सी
Can anyone be friends with their ex?
okay so we have some good points to discuss in this podcast. Okay,
So, I think the first question to ask is, are you friends with any of your ex?
no, absolutely not, and I have very good reasons for that.
Okay, we'll find out soon.
What about you?
I would say no. I mean, I'm not in a enemy situation as well, but I'm
Okay.
not necessarily friends with any of my exes.
Okay, you're neutral about
Yeah,
them.
yeah. It's
Okay.
like forget and move on.
I'm in a very vengeful kind of, I have emotions like that for all my exes.
Share your thoughts.
Why? They are like super negative thoughts.
No, share your thoughts about being friends with your ex. What do you think are the pros and cons?
See, so there's one quote. I already told you about this. But I feel that if you are friends with your ex, if either you never really loved them or you still love them.
That's actually quite deep.
Actually, no, that's a meme actually.
Oh.
I didn't think of it on my own.
Sometimes memes can be very deep. They just
Yeah.
hit the spot. You know?
Exactly, yes.
But yeah, I get what you mean. I think when you're in a relationship and that ends, पहली बात तो it depends on the situation also and the partners also how the relationship ended. But most of the time when it ends, you either feel a lot of
Grief.
vengeance and
Yeah.
not necessarily grief is a given. Like you will always feel that sadness for something that's broken now. But I think a lot of the times you blame the other person. Either you blame them or you want to win them back, right?
Yeah.
So I think या तो you love them still and then you are friends,
Yeah.
or you're like you never gave a fuck about them at all and it's like it's fine, you
No,
can
they
be friends
hurted
with
you
them.
so much that you stopped giving a fuck. See, for me, I think it also depends on how the relationship has ended.
Yeah.
So if it has ended on really good terms, ये भी हो सकता है that you both dated and then you both mutually felt that we are not right for each other, and then you stopped the relationship broken up, and after that you feel that okay, but the person is good, he's nice, he took care of me, so ठीक है मैं अभी भी friends रहूँगी उसके साथ, उसको भी feelings नहीं है मुझे भी नहीं है, so no harms done. So that is a very healthy way to end the relationship and stay friends after that. That is fine. But उसके situation में again love wasn't really there, right?
I mean, maybe the love was there, but somewhere along the way you realized कि जो love हम लोग सोचे थे कि it's going to happen, the future that we thought, it's not going to work out. There are some unavoidable circumstances and not one person is to blame. It's just not going to happen. When both partners see that mutually and they know कि they have to break things off, but doesn't mean they necessarily hate each other. तब I think the form of love also shifts. I'll be like okay, I can't date this person, I can't have a future with him anymore, but I don't necessarily want him to suffer in life. I still love him
So that
in a
will,
way.
that will not be a friendship, right? That will be I
No.
wish good for you, okay.
That's one thing, but sometimes suppose if you guys were friends before, like good friends, and you got into sort of a relationship and it ended, but not necessarily badly. You just understood, like Joey and Rachel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So it's but that's very rare though. That's very
I think in most of the cases अगर तुम friends हो then you फिर relationship में आ गए और उसके बाद breakup होता है, you can never get back to being friends again.
Yeah.
That's what I feel normally.
That's true.
Yeah.
I mean, sometimes, like I said, the circumstances are so unavoidable.
Yeah.
Ki you both want to make it work, but at the same time, you both know that it's just not going to happen. It's not feasible.
Yeah, but it's very rare that both of the people are feeling that they have drifted apart. Most cases एक बंदा drift apart होता है
हाँ.
और दूसरा बंदा he's or she's still there और फिर वो hurt होता है.
मैंने भी ऐसा एक इंस्टा का पोस्ट देखा था where it was like कि to form a relationship you need both persons input, you need
Of
both
course.
persons like love, but to break a relationship you just need one person's
Yes.
disapproval or like yeah I'm done. जैसे ही एक इंसान का खत्म होता है it's just you can't make it work.
Yeah, because both people are needed, and जब
Yeah.
एक का खत्म हो जाता है then both is not there, mutual is not there, so
Yeah.
उसके बाद obviously.
But also one more thing, don't you think a lot of the times when we do see people who are friends with their ex, there's an ulterior motive to that friendship?
Yeah, there could be like what is he doing, what is going on in his life, क्या उसको कोई दूसरी बंदी मिल गई या उसकी
To
life में
stalk and
yeah to stalk,
keep tabs.
yes, yes.
But then in that case the true color I think will come out sooner or later, because as soon as you see the other person, like if I'm pretending to be friends with you but अंदर ही अंदर I am thinking कि you know this is going to eventually work out, we are again going to get into
Love
the
is still
relation.
there.
Yeah. And उस चक्कर में ना when you see the other person finally moving on or meeting new
You
people
get
or
very hurt.
very hurt, and in some cases if you are not if you are not very mature and you are toxic, then you can just like hurl abuses and stuff on the
Yeah.
like that just makes it worse. I mean I'm speaking from personal experience in this one. Once I had a friend, I mean you surely you know who I'm
Okay,
talking about,
okay.
but we were friends and then we started dating and it ended. But at that time it was not like a very toxic breakup, it was just like it was not working out and we ended it, and we kind of remained in each other's life like Insta and WhatsApp and whatnot. But then as soon as that person saw me being happy and not miserable and actually making plans and going out with my friends, he just became like so toxic to the point where I immediately realized that the only reason वो मेरे साथ friendship रख रहा था and was being polite and nice and charming initially after the breakup was just because he in his mind he was thinking कि oh I'm going to get her back. And as soon as he realized कि it's not going to happen, he was like oh fuck you.
What I personally feel about that breakup of yours is कि तुम ज़बरदस्ती वो good terms में end करने की कोशिश कर रही
Yeah.
थी. So that बंदा he was not a good guy, and how he was treating you was not good.
Yeah.
You know, और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि चलो हम लोग दोनों एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग थे तो वो हो गया, नहीं, वो जानबूझ के इसको hurt करता था. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि जैसे तुम ज़बरदस्ती कोशिश कर रही थी कि इसको गुड टर्म्स पे ख़त्म करते हैं, बट एक्चुअली में दैट रिलेशनशिप डजंट डिजर्व टू बी एंडेड ऑन गुड टर्म्स बिकॉज ऑफ हाउ दैट गाय वाज, और बाद में तो उसने अपने ट्रू कलर्स दिखाई दिए.
I love this point because I think that also happens a lot of the time कि we try too hard to remain friends with our ex. Just we are like we know that it's probably not a good idea and it's probably not going to work out, but that you know full cut off कि नहीं I'm done and like you are just gone from my life period, वो करना बहुत difficult होता
बट
है.
वो करना चाहिए.
That's very important.
I really think it's not healthy to be friends with your ex
Yeah.
until and unless the circumstances are really बहुत ही अजीब, जैसे जोय और रेचल का.
Yeah.
Until unless you have that kind of circumstance जो कि बहुत ही rare और to be honest सिर्फ movies और shows में होता है, real life में ऐसा नहीं होता है. And to be honest, जोय और रेचल like 8 साल से friends थे, 3 साल से
Exactly.
roommates थे, so they had that comfort level with each other, but सबके साथ ऐसा नहीं होता, it's very rare. So I think it's very unhealthy to be friends with your ex.
And unless you are like you know in a bound situation where you have to be civil, where you have to be at least pretend to be friends, like you know same
Like
occupation,
yeah, if you are in
या
the
फिर
same
celebrities.
workspace.
Exactly.
Yeah. So उस टाइम पे ज़बरदस्ती करना पड़ता है, but that's not being friends. That's like just being acquaintances.
Yeah,
जैसे
yeah.
कि मतलब सब लोगों के सामने पब्लिक में you are acting normal, but अंदर से you just know that I have to keep my distance with this
Yeah.
person.
Because I think it's very hard also, don't you think कि like the person जिसके साथ I thought I had a future, I thought I had like this dream of spending my life or
Why it's very hard that you are working in the same place and all. It's very hard. You're seeing their face every day. It becomes really hard to move on.
Yeah.
I have seen people change their occupation, change cities just to get over a person, and it's completely fine because
yeah, it's understandable.
it's understandable and it makes it so much easier, to be honest. ऐसे बहुत difficult होता है. Breakups are not easy.
So do you so tell me, like I know about some of your breakups and you know some of them were quite messy.
Yeah.
Understandably so, बहुत लोगों का होता है.
Hmm.
तो do you, like, I know you're not friends with them, but do you have any hatred towards any of your exes, or you're like कि I just want to move on and not even think about them, like I wouldn't acknowledge them also if I see them, like what's the headspace?
सी आई टेल यू सो काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक मेरे मन में थोड़ा था दैट दे शुड गेट अ टिट फॉर टैट. जो लोग जैसा उन्होंने मेरे साथ बिहेव किया, आई रियली विश कि उनके लाइफ में भी कोई आए और उनको सेम ट्रीटमेंट दे, एंड देन दे विल अंडरस्टैंड कि सामने वाले को हर्ट करना इज़ अ बैड थिंग. लेकिन फिर धीरे धीरे विथ टाइम आई वॉज ओवर दैट फीलिंग. सो नाउ आई एम लाइक आप जो भी कर रहे हो मुझे मतलब नहीं है, आपको बहुत खुश देख के मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, दैट्स आई एम नॉट स्टॉकिंग यू एनी मोर. तुम्हारी लाइफ में जो हो इट्स योर बिजनेस.
Yeah.
बट या आई जस्ट स्टॉप स्टॉकिंग देम. तो उसके बाद अब उनके साथ बुरा हो रहा है या उनके साथ अच्छा हो रहा है, आई हैव नो
Exactly.
आइडिया. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू, स्टॉप स्टॉकिंग.
Like mentally you should be able to give that person up.
आई थिंक आई गिव अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट आंसर. आई होप कि मेरे कोई ऐसी सुनना रही हो.
अगर सुन भी रहे हैं, you were honest, you were like, and you were totally
Yeah.
on point.
Yes.
They were a bunch of jerks, so
Yeah,
it's
they
fine. तो मतलब you know, for me in a few situations it's been like कि maybe one person from my past, one of my exes, they wanted to not necessarily get back together, but they wanted to get in touch just to talk.
Guys.
And I have seen this thing कि sometimes ना, if you are not friends also, but you are on like such terms कि तुम लोग एक दूसरे को लाइफ से ब्लॉक नहीं कर चुके हो, you can actually, and nowadays with social media it's very very
I
easy
think
to
it's just about the comfort and intimacy you gave them.
Yeah.
कि हाँ मतलब see you're very understanding. तो तुमसे कोई कुछ भी शेयर करता है, you can understand that feeling and you have a lot of empathy also. So उनको वही फील होता है कि मेरे low points पे this girl was with me, तो मुझे इसको completely lose नहीं करना है. अगर लाइफ में आगे ज़रूरत पड़ा तो I want her to be there.
but that's very selfish.
It is extremely
Yeah.
selfish, but they were like that.
No, but my point is like there are a lot of people who will be like कि हाँ, I'm done with the breakup, I wish you all the happiness, go be happy, because I feel like in their mind it's like oh it's fine, it's good riddance, ऐसे भी कुछ खास नहीं था मेरा relationship. But then after 2-3 weeks, once you're finally moving on and feeling like you know I need a new life, I need a new routine, as soon as they see you happy, it's just like a radar that goes on in their mind. I'm like, now it's time to bring them back, drag
Yeah.
them back to hell, and that's just the worst. And you have to be so careful of people like this,
are like
because they
that,
also
yeah.
pose as your friends. They'll also be like कि I've known people जो like with my friends exes also, they were like, they literally pretended कि when she was moving on with some other friends and all, they talked shit about the friends कि they are not your real friends, वो तुम्हारे अच्छा नहीं चाहते हैं, हम दोनों relationship में थे, I still care about you, that's why I'm warning you. Like he was literally trying to get her
Manipulate.
away. हाँ.
Yeah, almost all of your boyfriends have tried to manipulate you.
Yeah, but I'm very very strong.
Nah.
Yeah, now.
Anyway, तो हाँ I'll keep this point here कि बहुत important है कि आप उनके intentions को समझो. अगर वो आपसे friendship रखना चाह रहे हैं, क्यों रखना चाह रहे हैं, और उस टाइम पे आप थोड़ा emotional होगे तो maybe you cannot see it, but ठीक है, अपने emotions को side में रखो और दिमाग use करो कि क्यों really they want to be friends.
I think even after a breakup, if one of your if one of the partners is forcing to be friends and you are mentally not there, but you are just too afraid to say it out loud, you need to do it. Like you need to say clearly कि no thank you, I don't want to hate you either, but I don't need you in my life, I
Yeah.
want to cut you off
Yes.
from my life.
Cut that toxicity
Yeah.
out. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा तो rebound भी कर लो यार, कोई बात नहीं,
Yeah.
but उस toxic इंसान के पास
To
वापस
learn
नहीं
more
जाना.
about rebound, go back to our previous
Yes.
episode.
How to get over a breakup.
Yeah.
उस पे बहुत अच्छे से rebound discuss हुआ है. Anyway, so yeah, वो rebound भी कर लो, जो कर लो, but उस इंसान के पास वापस नहीं जाना because you broke up for a reason.
Yeah. And it never works if you are friends with your ex just because you think you are going to get back together. It's
Emotional drama होगा, और हर्ट हो जाओगे, मूव ऑन नहीं कर पाओगे, मूव ऑन करना और डिले होगा, टाइम वेस्ट होगा, ऑलरेडी रिलेशनशिप टाइम वेस्ट बन चुका है, और ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट मत करो.
I think, I mean, a lot of times, not necessarily friendship, but I've seen a lot of people, especially, although it's rare, but as a relationship में जहाँ पे both the person are equally mature,
इट्स रेयर.
very rare, very rare.
एंड यंग एज में और भी ज़्यादा ना,
हाँ.
जैसे 25 प्लस में हो भी जाता है.
Not necessarily young age though, like people can be shitty as
या
fuck
बट आई
when
थिंक यंग एज में
comes to
बहुत रेयर है
relationship.
कि दोनों बहुत मेच्योर है, ऐसा
हाँ.
तो बहुत ही रेयर
हाँ.
होता है.
So, like when you are mature, you at least, even if you are not friends, I think you are still able to be polite and civil in front of each other. And you know, this reminds me of my first high school boyfriend. So we are not really friends, but he's the only one of my exes who is not blocked from anywhere, and he has his own life now, and he has a girlfriend. He seems happy, and I follow him on Insta and stuff, and I'm quite happy seeing him happy, because why would I not want him to have a good life?
Yeah.
It just didn't work out between us, and he is honestly one of my most non-toxic exes, because he never spoke, like he never badmouthed me after the breakup or anything, and we have mutual friends, and even though we don't meet each other that often, or like very rarely, and maybe we wish each other birthday once in a while, just happy birthday, that's all, but still that little contact also is a proof of, like, you know, civilized behavior.
True. Maturity.
Yeah.
So also it has been quite a long since your breakup with
Yeah.
him, right? कितना साल हो गया? Like
I think 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
That's why you're normal now.
Yeah.
अगर 1-2 साल के अंदर तुम उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड को देख रही होती तो मैं नॉर्मल नहीं लगता. So I think time also matters. अगर तुम्हारे ब्रेकअप को हो गया है 4-5 साल, then maybe
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
be back to being friends. But
Yeah.
ब्रेकअप हुआ, फ्रेंड बन गई तो
हाँ, and turant if you see that person move on and be happy,
Oh,
you
it
there's a
will
high
hurt like
chance you'll
hurt.
get hurt and you'll get jealous also.
ओके, सो लेट मी आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन.
Yeah.
अगर तुमको ऐसा चांस मिले कि चलो सारे ब्रेकअप्स को अब 5-6 साल हो चुका है, ठीक है,
Yeah.
एंड यू हैव टू चूज वन ऑफ योर एक्स जो तुम्हारे लाइफ में वापस आएगा ही आएगा, सो हु विल यू चूज एंड व्हाई?
Oh my god.
जस्ट डिस्क्राइब द पर्सन, नो नीड टू टेक नेम्स एंड ऑल.
This is including the high school wala guy.
You'll choose him of course, so नहीं.
Oh my god.
वो तो है ना ऑलरेडी तुम्हारे लाइफ में, इंस्टा पे कनेक्टेड है.
हाँ, true. See, the thing is, it's very hard, पहली बात तो, because I'm a very sensitive person, and I don't hate any of my exes, although I have all the right to hate them. They were shitty as possible, and it's just that there was a time when I saw a few, not necessarily future like, you know, shadi bacche future, but a sort of, you know, when you think of plans in your future and you see that person in your life. So I had thought of those things with at least one of them, you know, the second one.
Okay.
Yeah. But I feel like that makes it harder. Like, I wouldn't want him back in my life, because with the first one, it was like I knew it's not going to work out, but I was too immature and easily manipulated at that time, so I let myself just go with the flow, even though I knew very well कि it's not going to end down in a good way. But with the second one, because the first one was so fucked up and toxic,
You had more expectations.
yeah, and we were friends, which was like a very big deal for me. I wanted to be with someone who I could be friends with.
Yeah, you told me that.
Yeah. And honestly, in that guy, I was like, पहले वाले की कोई qualities नहीं है, and he's just like, he had the potential to be everything that I wanted. So I just made this image up in my head of him, which did not match the reality. And because of that, for the longest time, I was like trying to justify him with the image that was in my mind. So I think if I have to choose, I'll choose the first one, because even if he comes back in my life, I won't regret it that much. I'll be like, the same way I'm with my high school wala ex, right? I could be like that with him. Okay, fine, just live your life.
Anyway,
I can
you
follow
have
you.
seen him getting married.
Yeah, he got married. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm fine with
He's
it.
a husband now.
Oh
Poor girl.
god. Don't be like that. I hope that they are happy. I hope he is treating her better than he did me. See, that's one more thing. He was very apologetic, and he was very sorry about it later, and not in a way that made me feel like he wants me back, but in a way that made me feel it haunts him,
Okay.
and that made me feel quite good actually.
It should haunt him. He went like it was abusive, literally next level of abuse, हर तरीके का abuse, and it was dark. So he
Yeah,
should-
just let's not get into that.
we are not getting into that.
Yeah.
But yeah, he should be
Yeah.
apologetic, and the
Yeah, and
whatever he did should haunt him.
I don't know. I want to believe that he has changed.
I
although
can
it's
understand.
very hard.
It will make you feel better.
But I know it's very hard for an insan to change their
Change.
nature.
Yeah.
But I still would like to believe कि whoever he has married now,
वो गिल्ट जो
he-
तुम लोग दोनों के बीच जो
हाँ.
इतना गंदे से एंड हुआ, और वो जो उसको गिल्ट फील हो रहा था
हाँ.
उसके बाद, मे बी दैट गिल्ट वुड चेंज हिम. अगर थोड़ा सा मतलब बस इतना होता है ना कि चलो जैसा वो था वो नेचर उसका वापस भी आया, तो उसको याद आएगा कि तुम लोग दोनों का
Exactly,
रिलेशनशिप कितने
exactly.
गंदे से खत्म हुआ, एंड देन दैट विल चेंज.
yeah. I just feel that I hope that for like his marriage ka sake, I don't even want to be, you know,
Friends with him.
Yeah, I don't want to begrudge him in any way, but at the same time I'm like ki, I hope at least this horrific turn of events led to something good.
Yeah, right.
So I think I'll be okay with him, but not the second one, because the second one broke my heart. Like that was just so. That was just you know, mean. Like he was just he just wanted to hurt.
एंड तुमने उसको
people.
कितना पेडेस्टल पे भी बैठाया था.
Yeah.
फर्स्ट वन के साथ तुमने फ्यूचर नहीं सोचा, उसके साथ सोचा, और
Yeah.
उसने बिना मतलब का सब
Yeah,
बिगाड़
it
दिया.
was his own issues that he projected
Yeah.
on me. Even though I was the one with trauma, but somehow I had to deal with his trauma.
एंड ही डिडंट लुक दैट ही हैड ट्रॉमा, बट होता है ना, आप बस फ्रेंड्स है, आप हंसी
हाँ.
खुशी बात कर ले रहे हो, तो उससे आपको पता नहीं चलता वो इंसान अंदर से कैसा
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
until unless you come into an
Yeah.
intimate relationship with them.
Yeah.
तो
And one more thing, I think he's so egoistic that even if he regrets the way he treated me, he wouldn't apologize, and he wouldn't even like let himself think that way कि, oh, I did something wrong,
big,
because for
huge
him
ego.
he's like, I have to choose my ego all the time.
Oh my god, very
Yeah.
toxic. Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah, to answer your question, the first one, yeah. So you tell me the same question back to you. Who would you be okay with being in your life?
Okay. So how many boyfriends I've had?
Oh, Miss Player. Just two.
वही मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ सोचने का एक और मिल जाए यार, दो तो बहुत
थोड़े
ही
तो
कम है.
ऑप्शंस होने
वही,
चाहिए.
बट दो ही है. ओके, ठीक है. तो इधर द फर्स्ट और द सेकंड में ऑप्शन है. आई वुड वांट टू गो विद कि दोनों में से कोई नहीं है,
Yeah.
ऑफ कोर्स, क्योंकि या दे बोथ वर अ कंप्लीट वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, और कुछ नहीं, नथिंग विल कम गुड आउट ऑफ दैट फ्रेंडशिप, अगर फ्रेंडशिप हुआ भी, क्योंकि दोनों का दिमाग घुटने में है, अभी भी है. आई कैन नॉट बिलीव कि उनका दिमाग अभी थोड़ा सा सर के ऊपर आ गया हो, क्योंकि कोई होता है ना वो सिम्टम्स, लक्षण.
Some people are just beyond repair.
एग्जैक्टली, दे वर लाइक
Just-
दैट. ठीक है, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि वो लोग परफेक्ट है, तो दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज.
Yeah.
तो उन वैसे लोगों से डील करने का मेरे पेशेंस अब नहीं बचा है. आई हैव डेल्ट एनफ,
Yeah.
बट स्टिल इफ
Yeah,
आई
hard to choose, and you had like no need to be friends, but you know कि at least as much friends you can wish each other happy birthday. Who would that guy be?
एंड द फर्स्ट वन ऑफ कोर्स.
Yeah, first one.
या बिकॉज सेकंड वाले का मैंने बोला ना कि आई डोंट विश गुड फॉर हिम. ठीक है, तो
Neither, like you shouldn't.
Yeah, so-
honestly.
इट्स बेटर कि मेरे को अगर उसकी लाइफ में अच्छा भी हो रहा है, अच्छी बातें हो, बट मुझे पता नहीं चलना चाहिए बस.
हाँ, like
ठीक है.
I am not interested.
या और ये फर्स्ट वाले के लिए भी थोड़ा बहुत आई
I
वुड
think
से
both of them were
दोनों में से
jerks.
अगर मुझे चूज करना पड़े तो ठीक है, फर्स्ट वाले की खुशी मैं थोड़ा देख भी लूंगी, सेकंड वाला तो बिल्कुल नहीं. इट्स लाइक दैट.
But I think
But I
again this
sound
is
too immature.
no, not at all, not at all. It's
Okay.
totally understandable. But again, I think it's also the same thing as my high school wala. It's been a long time,
Yeah.
longer time with the first
True,
one, right?
true.
So you're like over it now.
The first person he came back and requested me to be friends with him, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my god, और इतना मतलब he cheated on me, ठीक है.
Yeah.
तो obviously मैं कितनी भी immature थी, मेरे में इतना दिमाग था कि भैया जो इंसान cheat कर सकता है उसको घंटा feelings नहीं है, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे मैंने उससे बात करना बंद कर दिया. मतलब उसके बाद वो आया मेरे पास वापस कि प्लीज़ लेट्स गेट बैक टुगेदर, मैंने बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी है, आई हैव चीटेड ऑन यू एंड आई रिग्रेट इट एंड आई जस्ट वांट यू, आई डोंट वांट द अदर गर्ल.
Oh my god.
हाँ, उसके बाद फिर मैंने उसको काइंड ऑफ सोचा कि ठीक है चलो फॉरगिव कर देती हूँ बिकॉज ही इज़ चूजिंग मी. तो मे बी वहाँ पर क्योंकि हम लोग लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में थे, तो मे बी वहाँ पे लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में मिल नहीं पाते हैं, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा हो गया, गलती हो गई, ठीक है. लेकिन उसके बाद फिर से पता चला कि फिर से उस लड़की से बात करने लगा है. Then we stopped talking completely. We नहीं मैं, okay, because he was constantly trying to talk to me. मतलब उसको दोनों को ही रखना था. It was so irritating. तो मैंने realized I was just 18 at that time.
Exactly.
And then I realized कि इसको दोनों के साथ रहना and this is not going to happen. ये मैं अपने साथ नहीं कर रही हूँ. तो मैंने उसका कॉल रिसीव करना पूरा बंद कर दिया and that guy he was calling me like anything, like for 3 months around हर दिन मेरे फ़ोन में उसका कम से कम 10 मिस कॉल्स आया रहता था.
So manipulative, like after cheating on you.
Yeah.
And I feel like the fact that you gave him the chance was also because you were just younger then.
I was,
अभी
yes.
तो you would just
Never.
मतलब
Never. So हाँ, और सबके अपने जितने रिलेटिव्स हैं ना उसने सबके नंबर से कॉल कर दिया मुझे बिकॉज आई हैव ब्लॉक्ड हिज नंबर. तो मुझे थैंक गॉड फॉर ट्रू कॉलर पता चल जाता था. एंड इट वाज सो डिफिकल्ट शिरिन, हर दिन कोई अननोन नंबर से मैं कॉल ही नहीं उठाना, मैंने बंद कर दिया था. फिर लाइक फॉर around 15 days I didn't get any call, so I was over it. Around suddenly फिर एक और अननोन नंबर से कॉल आया, ट्रू कॉलर पे बस कोई लेटर ऐसे T या U शो कर रहा था. मैंने उठाया, his voice and he's like तुम्हें क्या लगता है मैं कोई अंबानी का बेटा हूँ, इतना सारा नंबर्स नहीं है मेरे पास, मैंने कितने सारे डिफरेंट नंबर्स से तुमको कॉल किया है, तुमने कॉल क्यों
But
नहीं उठाया?
why? Like if you are that important to him, he wouldn't cheat in the first place.
वही उसने जब चीटिंग किया था उसने उस टाइम पे भी he was like you are important to me, I want you back. मैंने एक चांस दे दिया भाई तुमको, इसके बाद भी तुमने प्रूव कर दिया दैट तुम कुछ नहीं किसी लायक नहीं हो, तो फिर
He
अब
didn't
क्या
even
चाहते
deserve
हो?
that chance.
But
to be
I
honest,
didn't know that.
you were
na.
younger.
I
you
was
were
younger.
naive.
I was in love.
That's what I'm talking about. It's so easy to manipulate people in love. And it's like the next step after a breakup, or when you are seeing that this person is not like you're not able to get into a relationship with them, the next step is to be friends. Like, oh, I will always be your friend, I'll
It's
always
very
want good
manipulative.
things.
It's very
But
manipulative.
most of the time it's
कभी
like
मत करो बिकॉज उसके बाद फिर मैंने बोला कि क्यों चाहिए ये वो, तो ही इज़ लाइक प्लीज़ प्लीज़ आई वांट अ फ्रेंड, मुझे बहुत ज़रूरत है बिकॉज सब बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स उसके उससे बात करना लड़कियाँ बंद कर दी थी बिकॉज ये चीटिंग वाला सीन हुआ था. तो ही इज़ लाइक प्लीज़ यार आई रियली मिस यू, बट एज अ फ्रेंड ही रहता है ना, क्या दिक्कत है ये वो. तो मुझे मतलब ही ट्राई टू गेन अ लॉट ऑफ सिंपैथी, मुझे
Yeah.
थोड़ा सिंपैथी आया. तो उसके बाद मैंने उससे अराउंड 2 weeks तक बात किया एंड देन ही वाज स्टिल लीडिंग मी इनटू वही फिर से मतलब ही वाज
Yeah.
ट्राइंग कि मैं उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड जैसे ही हो जाऊँ. तो उसके बाद मैंने फिर उसको जो ब्लॉक किया.
that's what it's like, so annoying, this nagging wala thing. This happened to me also with the first college ex. He called me up during like when
लॉकडाउन
not lockdown के कुछ time बाद when I was in Bangalore, and he called me up and sometimes he was crying, sometimes he was laughing, sharing some stuff going on in his life, and I was very polite initially because I had blocked him from all places, and he called me from some unknown number and it had been a long time, so I didn't want to be rude on the call immediately. I was like कि I am anyway the bigger person here, and I'm not going to stoop down to his level at any cost. So I was very polite. He was talking to me and he was like sharing his trauma or like dukh ki kahani or whatever was going on in his life. And very politely I asked him, why are you telling me this? Why are you calling me and telling me? And then he paused and he was like, I need a friend. All my friends, I can't like, because
Share
his
this
whole
with
thing
them.
was like, oh, londe hai, you know, the cool dude, like no feelings, no fucks given, and that whole thing, like that's totally pretend. All his friends
It's
are
very
also doing that.
immature, only
Very
immature
immature.
people behave
So
like
he
that.
needed actual true friend to talk to when he was down, when he was sad, and he had no one. And his bright dimag thought, let's call up my ex and
Yeah.
pareshan her because she was there to
That
listen.
is what they do.
I was like, look, I understand that you need to talk to someone, but I can't be that person
Of
in your
course.
life. I don't wish you any ill will. It's just that I don't want you in my life, period. I hope you be happy. I hope you get what you want. But I can't sit here and talk to you and be like, oh, I understand. Oh, you
Right.
need a shoulder to cry. No,
Right.
hell no. You are the one who made me cry at one point so badly. Just because I am not boiling with rage and I'm not hurling abuses at you doesn't mean that I don't remember those things.
हाँ, just वही ना, हमारा प्यार किसी को इतना एंटाइटल्ड बना देता है.
Exactly,
They
oh
don't
my
feel कि ये
God.
इंसान कितना अच्छा मुझे प्यार करता है. They feel that मैं कितना अच्छा हूँ. And they are available to me all the time. Wow, great. जब नहीं रहता है, first you take it for granted, and जब वो
Yeah.
चीज़ नहीं रहती है, then you, oh, I want this back. You don't care कि सामने वाला hurt हो रहा है या क्या हो रहा है. You just don't
I
care.
think a lot of the time people mistake this also for love. Like if you
Yeah.
are in a relationship and सामने
It's not love.
वाले से तुमको बहुत प्यार बहुत attention मिल रहा है and then you guys break up and then you start missing that person. You are not actually missing that person because you love them. A lot of the times you are missing all the attention and love that you got from the other person.
True.
And if you feel that you are doing that, you just need to back off. If you go and manipulate the other person who you know had loved you so much, then you are really, really fucking selfish.
And we are
Because-
talking this from experience.
Yeah, honestly. अभी भी बहुत like I think 50% of relationships में there is one person who has the upper hand and who manipulates the other person to some extent. बहुत rarely ऐसे cases होते हैं where both people are equally putting in good efforts
Yeah, and they
to
care
make things
equally
work.
about each
Yeah,
other.
yeah.
Yeah, so don't be friends with your ex. Bottom line.
Yeah.
बहुत ही rare case में हो सकता है कि
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा workout करे, वो भी it won't bring you any good. It will just give you a friend. And दुनिया में billions of people are there to make friends. किसी के साथ भी कर लो, but not your ex. It will end up very badly for you.
Okay,
Advice.
my advice would be a little bit different than hers because I would say ki like okay, her advice is very sound. I'm not rejecting it, but at the same time, we are talking about our experiences, right? But if you are out there who has a ex who is your Joey to Rachel, then sure, definitely go and be friends. But make sure that both of you all, when you are being friends, it's not like there's no ulterior motive to it. You're just being selfless friends who actually want to see each other grow and do good things in life.
That's a great advice, but it's not practical.
It can be practical,
See,
Shania.
everybody, I'll
थोड़ा तो
tell you.
hope होना चाहिए
नहीं
life में.
क्यों ex से ही hope रखना है यार? As I told you.
Look at me. I have had such shitty relationships, yet I am holding on to this hope because कोई तो होगा अच्छा यार एक्स दुनिया में. मैं तो अच्छी एक्स हूँ ना
क्यों
किसी
चाहिए
की.
अच्छा एक्स? आई एम टेलिंग यू, लाइक दुनिया में 7 बिलियन लोग हैं, उन सब से कोई मतलब नहीं है, बट वो एक इंसान ही अच्छा होना चाहिए जबरदस्ती.
No, obviously not that. I'm
See,
just
you
saying that
broke up
might
for a
be
reason.
some.
I'm
There
telling
might be
you,
some.
I'm telling you, it's a bad idea, and I'm telling you, 1 in 1 crore cases might be fine.
Yeah.
Fine, not good. But majority, like we discussed this in our complete whole podcast, it's a bad idea to be friends with
Yeah,
your ex.
I agree. It's a bad idea 90% of the time.
You don't, like, it's a risk not worth taking.
Yeah. But if, that's what I'm saying, if it's worth taking, if there's even this much hope that you both can work out, then go ahead, be friends.
I'll tell you what's wrong with your advice. When you are in love or when you just want to be friends with your ex, even if it's a bad idea, you will think that it's a good idea. You will always think it's a good idea. सबको अपना relationship जोई रेचल जैसा ही लगेगा. सबको.
But then sooner or later that bubble will burst, na, if it's
That's
a
just
toxic
wasting
thing.
more time.
You are too strict, my god.
Telling you, my advice will bring
Yeah.
joy to your life. It will make your life better. And this advice will just make you frame a picture.
But see, I have not been friends with any of my exes. I've been strong there.
Hmm.
But at the same
should
time,
be.
I want to hold on to a bit of hope for humanity. Yeah, like
Have
that.
hope from everybody but not your ex.
Oh, no.
That will just do you good.
So you are telling that maybe that person can be a good friend to someone else, but
Yes.
not you.
True. That's your ex. No. Never with your ex. क्यों chance ही क्यों लेना है?
chance ही क्यों लेना है? She convinced me, don't be friends with your ex unless you really want to.
Give in to all those bad expectations, give in to all your bad temptations.
Yeah.
ठीक है, और अपना life screw up करते रह जाओ. You won't get anywhere with
I
it.
would be such a good candidate for Satan. Like वो आके मेरे कान में कुछ बोलेगा, I'll be like, that sounds like a brilliant idea. Let's do it.
Yeah, and वो जो white वाला एक कंधे पे
हाँ,
आता है,
उसको मैं mute
वो
कर
मना,
दूँगी.
हाँ, उसको mute कर देना, और ये black वाले के.
That's so wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. I think we are done. We have given our advice. I think, and my last advice would be to listen. You should listen to Shania and not to me.
Experience speaking here.
Yeah. So that's it, guys. Let us know how many of you are friends with your ex, and
Don't
if it's, if it's possible. And if you have regrets being friends with your ex, listen to her and
Yes.
just chuck that
And
guy
let us
out.
know in the comments.
Yes.
Yes.
Like, share, subscribe.
Two girls unchecked.
Bye.